Welcome student for maths class chapter number 8 comparing quantities part 5. In the last session we already solved question number 7. Okay, so today we will continue with the question number 8. See question number 8. Amina buy a book for rupees 275 and sell it at a loss of rupees 15%. How much does she sell it for? Okay. So here what is given? Cost price of the book is given, loss is given, that you have to write first. So cost price is 275 and loss he got, that is 15%. So here when we got the loss, we are going to use the formula of selling price. This one is cost price 1 minus loss upon 100. Then put the values. So what is the value given here? For selling price it is 275, 1 minus 15 upon 100. Okay. So here out of 100, if you subtract 15 there, we will get 85 upon 100. Or another method that I told you, that is divide to the lowest term. Okay. Now write to the lowest term, we will get here 3 upon 20. Okay. So answer will be here, sorry, LCM is 20 and here it will be 1. So 20, we will get 20 divided by 1, 20 multiplied by 1, that is 20 minus. Here 20 divided by 20, 1 into 3 will be 3. So answer we got here, that is 17 upon 20. Okay. So 275 is multiplied by 17 upon 20. Now 275 is multiplied by 70, we will get 4675. Okay. Divided by 20, we will get the answer 233.75. So here the selling price will be 233.75. Next question, see here question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Two questions are given. In first one they given the principal, that is 1200, and rate given, that is 12%. So here we are going to use the formula for interest. Everyone write that formula in the notebook. What is that? P into R into T upon 100. So put the value. What is P here? 1200 multiply by a rate given, that is 12, and year, here it is 1 only given, 3 year given, sorry, 3 year. So upon 100, 0 0 will be cancelled. We will get what? 12 into 3, that is 144 multiplied by 3 equals to 432. I already shown how to do. Then here told to find the amount. So amount means here P into I, that is principal plus interest. So principal is your own amount, that is 1200 plus 432. We will get the answer, that is 1632. Okay. In second question, again the principal is given, that is 7500. Rate is given 5% and time is 3 years. Same formula we are going to use here, that is P into R into T upon 100. So put the value. P is given, that is 7500 multiply 5 into 3 upon 100. 0 0 cancel to what we will get here? 75 multiply 5 into 3. So when we multiply this number, we will get the answer 1125. Okay. Now they told to find the amount here. So formula again will be principal plus interest, that is 7500 plus, it is 1 only. Okay. 1125. Answer will be 8625. So in this way we have find the interest, amount of the both question. Now next question number 10, see. What rate given for rupees 280 as interest on a sum of 56,000 in 2 years? So in this question the principal given, that is 56,000 and interest is 280. In the last question we already finding the interest there. Okay. Here the interest are given and rate you have to find. So when you are finding the rate, same formula we are going to use, that we use to find the interest. So I is equal to what? P into R into T upon, this is T upon 100. So when they told to find the rate, so rate will be coming on the left side. Okay. Do the cross multiply. So R equals to what? With the R we having P and T. So it will write as a denominator like this, and when you cross multiply, interest is multiplied by 100, which is writing as a numerator. So here by using the interest formula we are finding the rate formula also. So put the value now, 100 into I is what given 280, P is 56,000 multiplied by 2. Cancel this 0. So we will get what? 28 and 56 into 2. So we know the table 28, 1s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So we what number got here? 1 into 2 into 2. 1 upon 2 into 2. So answer is 1 upon 4. Either you write in the fraction or if you convert it into the decimal, 1 is divided by 4, we will get 0.25. Okay. Now last question of this exercise, question number 11. If Meena give an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% per annum, what is the sum she had brought here? So here again what is given? Interest is given, that is 45 rupees. Time period given, that is 1 year, and rate is 9%. So here you have to find the principal. Same method I told you. I equals to what given? P into R into T upon 100. So here they told to find the P. So P is coming this side. With P it is R and T, which is coming on the downside as a denominator, and 1 into 100 will be right here. Okay. So put the value, 100 multiply 45 and 9 multiply by 1. So cancel this, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So 100 into 5 equals to 500. So what is the amount principal given here? It is 500 rupees. So student, here we completed our exercise 8.3 and this chapter also. In the next video we will start new topic.